If you have been looking to take the high-risk, tedious chore of cleaning multi-story or floor-to-ceiling glass entirely off your hands, you are going to want to stick around for this. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the KKI Window Cleaning Robot with dual spray, featuring a sleek black finish. This is not your basic, street-prone manual window squeegee setup. This is an advanced, automated glass cleaning powerhouse engineered with precision dual-direction auto-spray technology, smart AI path planning, and a robust triple safety architecture. Right out of the box, the first thing that catches your eye is its sleek, low-profile physical build designed to effortlessly mount onto standard glass, framed windows, sliding doors, or mirrors. Setting it up is completely straightforward. You plug in the power components, secure the heavy-duty safety tether, snap on a fresh microfiber cleaning cloth, and place it on the glass. Now, let us talk about performance, because the spray and cleaning mechanics here are top tier. Utilizing an advanced dual-direction water spray configuration, the unit atomizes water into a fine, uniform mist directly onto the glass ahead of its cleaning path. This rapidly dissolves stubborn grime, bird droppings, dust, and water spots, ensuring the microfiber pads wipe the surface completely streak-free in a fluid pass. Driven by an intelligent AI path planning engine, the robot maps out its route systematically, navigating in optimized S-shaped or Z-shaped strokes to ensure zero missed spots. It dynamically calculates edges and frame boundaries, making it exceptionally efficient for large glass panes. Safety is paramount when working high off the ground, and this KKI model features a comprehensive triple fall prevention system. High-strength vacuum suction. It grips tightly to the glass using powerful internal motor suction, ranging from 2,200 pascals to 3,200 pascals. That offsets gravity with absolute stability. Uninterruptible power supply. UPS if your home suffers a sudden power outage. The built-in backup battery kicks in immediately to hold the robot securely in place while locking it down. Secure safety tether. A multimeter climbing-grade safety rope and buckle system provide physical security for high-rise outdoor applications. Operating the unit is entirely effortless. You can switch between multiple intelligent cleaning modes, such as deep clean, spot clean, and fast clean, using the included handheld remote control, allowing you to target heavily soiled areas or run full automated cycles with zero hassle. If you want to enjoy crystal clear, sparkling windows across your entire home without ever risking your safety on a ladder or wasting hours scrubbing by hand, the KKI Dual Spray Window Cleaning Robot is an absolute game changer. Click the link below for the best price.